Let's say, hi, what is your name? Okay.
His name is your name.
So, hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration video of DIVI. Uh, so basically, we have just logged in, and I'd like to show you the processes that are running in the background. So once we have started up and we have logged in, we'll see these two services, this DIVI and another one is listener. These two services will be running. The DIVI act as a application backend, and the listener acts as a listener to the or whatever remote uh, commands it will be getting. So we have just uh, started up. So let me just go and start the server so that we can use our application. So this is the ID that I'm using for the development of DV, and um, I just need to start this server. That would be the main server of DV. I'm sorry. And application, our server will be running on 192.168.43.204, and the port will be 8000. It'll take a little bit of time for getting started. So while this is starting up, let's have a little talk about what a DIVI is. So DIVI is a VA virtual assistant that is platform independent. We have used Electron.js to develop its interface, and it uses a client server module where the interface would be the client, and the application backend service that is running in the background that I've already showed you will be running in the background as a server on the local system. So whenever we make any kind of request or any kind of command, whenever we make any kind of action, that request is sent to the application backend, and then there everything is processed. There all the magic happens. Okay, so uh, once you have your request processed in the application backend, that is Divi service, then the response will be sent to the interface and it will be shown to you. It will look like a real-time application. I'll be just showing you. So let's get started up. So this is our application divi.exe, as I've already installed it in the system. So I'm going to start it. So as you can see, the system has already started. Uh, uh, oh, it logged me out. I guess my session has already expired. So, okay, no problem. Yeah, so let's just have a look at the login screen. We have a pretty good login page, and we have this cross button. If you click on this cross button, this application will be stopped, and you'll be prompted to the whatever page you were. So whenever you click on a forward password button, you'll be prompted to this reset password page where you have to enter your email address, and then a mail will be sent to you that I'll be showing you in a little while. This is the sign up button where you can go and sign up for yourself. Uh, you have to enter your name, username, email, password, and retype the password to do the validation and all the stuffs. And you can also log in using your Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus. Yeah. Uh, so let's just assume that I don't know my password and I have to recover it. So we have used another mechanism. Rather than resetting your password, we are sending you the password. We are still in the development phase, so we'll be integrating that module also, from where you'll be able to reset your password. But for now, my email address is, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. I don't know from what email did I sign up. Let's just see. Okay, it says verifying. We'll have to wait for some minute. Okay, check your email for credentials. So we'll just go and check our email if we have any such mail or not. So let's just go there. We're starting up, and we have received this thing here. And yeah, you can see, hi, Amartya Parijat. Your Divi credentials are username Amartya Parijat and password Divi1. So this is just for test. I'll be just using these credentials now. So just let's go back and use all these credentials that we have received. So the username is Amartya Parichak and the password is divi1. I'm sorry, I just think that I have entered wrong password. So log in. Yeah, so we're inside. All right. As I had turned the time to talk button on, so this button would remain on because um, it might be that when I logged out from my account, it was left open. So yeah, yeah. So let's just go and type in something that we want to have a little chat with our chat bot. Let's say, hi, what is your name? Okay.
His name is your name.
Okay, it says his name is your name because the chatbot is still in the learning phase, so we are still making it learn stuff. So it's not that accurate, but it works. Um, let's just try another method through which we can interact with the chatbot. That would be this microphone button here in the right of the writing panel. If you click on this, it will start spinning. I'll just show you. What is the color of the sky?
The best of the time.
Okay, so we have a replay now. The another way to have a conversation with this chatbot is just to turn on this time to talk button. When it is on, if you speak this magic word, it will automatically start listening to you. I'll just show you. Time to talk. So it's listening. Tell me something about yourself.
I think you mean that.
Okay, so yeah, you see, it can pretty much listen to you without having to interact with it directly by touching the device. So these are the ways you can have a conversation. You can interact with the application. Now I'll be showing you all the other functions that we have inbuilt in this application. Like what else can you do rather than chatting and having a conversation? So at first, let's just try to access applications that we have installed on our system. That would be our. Let's just turn it off, close everything, and okay. So let's just write open Google Chrome.
Starting Google Chrome.
So as you can see, we have got this application started here. So you can start applications from it also. But yeah, let's just say that we have a more than one application with the same name in our system. Then how is application going to understand that what application that I'm talking about? Uh, let's have a try of that. Um, I've got multiple things with the name Mixcraft. Okay, so I'll be just writing uh, start Mixcraft.
Which one do you want?
So it just gave me all of the options from which I have to choose, and once I choose, it will be started. Let's just say I want to start Mixcraft 8 Pro Studio. I'll just click on it, and it is
Starting Mixcraft 8 Pro
yeah,
Studio. 64-bit.
as you just heard. You heard the manager. I'm just waiting for this application to be started because this application is really heavy, so it will take a little bit of time. And you can see now it has already started. Yeah. So you don't have to source for the application. I don't know for some reason why is it not popping the application in front of the system, but so these are the features through which you can manipulate pretty much everything on a device. Now I'll be talking about some other features through which really uses your servers and your connection to have any command running on your application. Let's talk about another feature that is remote command execution. So, what is a remote command execution? Uh, I might have multiple devices that I want to control from Divi. So, we have broken that barrier through which uh, you can communicate with other devices that you have, and you can control it from the same device that you're using. You see this my devices button here. If you click on this, new pop-up will be created, and you'll be watching that I have these two devices in my devices panel. These are the two devices that I have access to. One is Legion, the other one is Predator. The system that I'm on right now is Predator, and if I want to add any other device, I can add the device by using the device name. It should be a unique name and the IP address. Once I have entered all these things, it starts checking for all the stuffs that I have put, and it verifies if I'm the legit user or not, and then it will give me access. I can create a alias name for the same device multiple times. Let's just say I have this Predator registered. I want to create another alias of the same system. Then I can use this panel to create another alias also. Let's say press for my system. My system's IP address is 192.168.43.204 for the time being. And once I click on add device, device registered. So it has registered my device as press also. So now you see press, it is the system only. So if I want to remove a device, I just have to click on the cross button and it will be removed. So these are the ways through which you can add device. Now, we have added our device. Now, how can we access our device? You don't have to be technical, or you don't have to have any technical knowledge to access your device. You just have to talk to this application in a normal way as you talk to a human being. Let's just say I want to start something on Legion. As you see that I'm on Predator right now, and Legion is one of my other system that I don't have right now in front of me, and it's not connected. It is switched off, so I should not be able to access it. I'll be showing you. So we have a system Legion. I'll be trying to access something on Legion. Let's say I want to search Elon Musk on Legion. Let's just say I want to search Elon Musk on the screen of Legion. I'll enter it, and our Divi is now checking for the connectivity if we are able to access it or not. If it is accessible, then it will do all the things. If it is not, then you'll receive a message from Divi, whatever it figures out. Just see.
Cannot contact Legion.
So as Legion was out of reach, so it just told us that it cannot contact Legion. So as I told you that our system, this application works as in a client server model. So what is possible here that you can use or refer this same system that you are running your application on as a a third system. I'll just give you an example. Let's say we have to do the same thing on this system only, but as a third person. So it will be sending a request to the server, and server will be resolving your request and checking if this device exists in your list or not. If it exists in your list, then it will ask that device, the same device that I'm working on right now, because that will be my target. That you have to do these works, and my listener, that service that was running, I showed you in the beginning, will do all the job for me. It will send the request to the decider, and it will do all the magic stuff that it has to do. So let's just write Google Elon Musk on um, Predator. Okay, so just
I found this on the web.
okay.
Says Predator.
Predator says it found this on the web, but what do we have? We have this Google Chrome running here, and it's searching for Elon Musk. If you can see, we have Elon Musk here, and it's pretty much the same thing. When you do this, let's just write Google Elon Musk.
I found this on the web.
Okay, what did you find? It's pretty much the same thing that it is doing right now. It is searching for Elon Musk. See, yeah. So we have these features installed in it. So let's just talk about some of the other features that we have. You can also perform some sort of other actions like searching for the files or the videos or some other files that you may want to access on your system. It can efficiently search for the files that you have recently accessed and they are not indexed anymore very nicely. I'll just show you some examples. This TV series that I really like, Teen Wolf. I watch it very frequently, so I'll just uh, search for Teen Wolf. So let's just say open Teen Wolf.
Starting Teen Wolf.
Okay, it says starting Teen Wolf, and we have this folder opened here, and this folder contains all the episodes that I've downloaded from internet of Teen Wolf. So it was easy for it to search, and it was really fast while searching it. It can also search for some certain files if you are searching for episode or something. Let's just say if I want to watch episode 1. Okay, I'm not sure if I have episode 1 named file, so I'll just search it. Let's see what do we get.
Which one do you want?
Okay, so in the result we have these two uh, episodes of Tokyo Ghoul. These are anime series that I'm watching, and if I click on any of these name, let's just click on episode 2,
Starting Tokyo Ghoul Episode 2 English Dub. Tokyo Ghoul.
and you see it has already started. So it works like this. So these were the features that we have developed so far, and still we're working on the application. And if you go to this About Divi button and click on it, you'll be prompted to the page where all the information about Divi and the developers information is provided. Let's just click on it, and you'll see Divi stands for Desktop Imbrutization using Virtual Intellect. It is a virtual assistant capable to run on any machine irrespective of platform. Divi is mainly developed in Python and Java, and it is a platform-independent software capable of providing you virtual support in almost every field, such as home automation, chatbot, device management, remote access to any of your device, managing your virtual information and resources, etc. Divi is a software that can be installed on either laptop or mobile phone running any OS such as Windows, iOS, Android, Linux, etc. Divi is an easy to use handy application. It features a familiar and well thought out and attractive interface combined with high virtual intelligence. So these are the creators. That is me, Amrita Parijat. This is Aman Mishra. Another one is Arihan Shankyan. Another one is Akash Rao. And another one is Utkarsh Saxena. So we are the developers of desktop immunization using virtual intellect. In this container that has been developed using Electron.js, we have some of the options. When you click on file, you'll see we have option of full screen. If you click on this, a full screen will be prompted, and you can exit this full screen by clicking on exit full screen. We have this help button where you can go for help, check for updates, feedback, about section, and you can click on quit button to quit it, or you can use the shortcut control Q to quit the application, or you can also use this cross button to close the application. So this was the demonstration of Divi. Tell me how was it? Tell me about it. What do you like? What didn't you like? What can be improved? What can be done? What can be added more into this application? Thank you very much for watching this. Good night.